there's two 4 ohm resistors.
Okay, let us try. Let us see. This is the, suppose it is a junction. That is a junction here. Correct na?
Yes, yes.
So current will, what you will do? Please tell me.
I mean, I can take like current like this
Hmm.
and like this. I mean, I don't know which direction to take
See,
that.
this is the minus 5 volt. This is the lowest volt. So current will goes definitely this way.
This way, yes.
So let us say
So it's gonna go here and down.
yeah, I,
Okay. I1, I2, and I3 down.
I,
I I2. So this one I2 and I3 down.
I1, I2, I3. But I1 plus I2 is I3. Correct na? This one is I1.
Mm-hmm. I1 plus I2 is I3. Yes.
Correct na? It is I1 plus I2. This, if this is the I2. Correct?
Mm-hmm. So I take 20. I take 20 divided on 4.
See, let us take the,
No. Sorry. I take 20 minus 4 I1
see, 20 volt it is there, high voltage. So 20
minus 4 I1 from
minus
high to
4
low.
I1.
Yes, and this is going to be, and then if I take this one 5, I take, I don't know. What should I take then? Should I take from this side
One second,
5
one second.
or?
Plus, it is going minus 2 into I1 plus I2. Is it clear?
You just follow here down. Okay. Minus from high to low minus 2. Yeah, okay. Okay.
Okay.
This is a number and this is equal to 0.
Not equal to 0. It is minus 8. We are reaching to the minus 8. Voltage. See, high.
Equal to
See,
minus 8.
please listen. See, we are going one higher voltage. Am I right? To where we are going,
Mm-hmm.
up to the down, means voltage dropping, and when we are reaching to the, at what voltage?
A minus 8.
Minus 8 voltage. Am I right or not?
Mm-hmm.
Means this whole things equals to minus 8. See, 20 voltage minus 20 voltage we have started. Minus drop is minus 4i. 4i will drop.
Mm-hmm.
Voltage will be
Mm-hmm.
drop na. I1.
Yes.
Then further drop voltage 2 into
Yes,
I1.
minus 2. Yes. Uh-huh.
Final voltage we
Okay.
are
And this
reaching
is
minus 8.
minus 8. Mm-hmm. Okay, I understood this. This is first equation.
Yeah.
And then I take from a different side.
Yeah. Please take it.
And then I take 5 minus 4 I2.
5 minus 4 I1 I have forgotten here. You just take care of this one.
Yeah, I1. So minus 4 I2 minus 2 I1 plus I2 is equal to minus 8 also.
Is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
If I add these two,
Yes.
what will happen? If I,
I mean, it's not gonna be removed.
hmm?
I mean, if you add this two, you're gonna get I1 plus I2 also.
No. I will do one thing. There are two unknowns.
You're gonna subtract it.
Yes, I go to subtract it. Not adding, subtract it. So,
Subtracting, yes. So this is gonna be 15. This is gonna be minus 4 I1.
no, yeah,
plus
No.
4i2.
Just one
Huh?
second, one second, one second. We have to not simply subtract it. First, we will simplify it.
Okay.
Please simplify it. Minus 4i1 minus
Minus
2i1
2i1 plus
minus
minus 2i2.
2i2 is equal to my 20 will be go this side, so minus 28,
Mm-hmm.
or minus 5i1 minus 2i2 is equal to
Why are you saying minus 5i1? Minus 6. Okay, so you can take 6i1 plus 2i2 is equal to 28.
this is equation number 1.
Mm-hmm.
Can you write the equation number 2?
Yes, so is going to be minus 4i2 minus 2i1 minus 2i2
Minus
is
4
equal
minus
to
6 minus 6i2
minus 13.
minus, I'm directly writing 6i2
6i2 plus
2i1.
2i1 is equal to 13.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
now can we multiply equation number 3 by 3? Okay, we will multiply equation number 2, this one,
Multiply on
3,
2, 3.
and subtract it.
Mm-hmm.
So this 6 and 6 cancel. This is 2 I2 minus 18. So minus 16 I2. Directly I am doing. You want me directly or not? 28
No, understand.
28 minus 39.
But this is 18 minus 2, right? So you take minus 16 I2 is equal to 28 minus 39
Yes,
is going to be 11.
minus
Minus
11.
11. I2 is equal to 1.1. No, sorry, it's not 10, it's 16. 11 divided on 16.
I1 is equal to how much?
I1 is equal to,
Anywhere you.
I need to just put it in first. I1 is equal to, so it's 6 on 11, 16, 6, and 2 plus 2, I1 is equal to 13. So it's 66, 16. 2i1 is equal to 13 minus 66, 16. Oh my god.
2i1 is equal to 13 minus 66,
66 divided on 16.
16.
8, 1, 7, 1 second, 13, 8, 0, 2, 208 minus 66. 2, 4, 142 divided on 16. Okay, I1 is equal to 8, 142, 71. 71 divided on 8.
No, 32, na? 71. 208 minus 66.
66 is going to be 142.
171
And then you divide on 2 is going to be 71.
by 60. Okay. Now there are two I1 by I2. Which one answer is correct? You can check it because both are same. This one 11 by 16 is your answer, or 71 by 16.
Oh wait, 1 second. Which question is this?
Current they are asking.
Okay. 0.93. Okay, let me see. 71 divided on 8. is equal to 8.875, and 11 divided on 16 is equal to 0.68. I don't know which answer is there.
See, option you see now, which option is see?
Yes, yes. 3 point. 1 second.
I think 4.5
3.3
is your correct answer.
B. 4.5, yes.
Yes. So
But we didn't get this
you
answer.
got this one.
Which one?
71 divided by 16.
No.
How much we got?
Oh, sorry. Yes, yes. It's gonna be almost 4.5. Yeah, 4.43.
Ah,
4.5.
you understood or not?
Yes, so they basically were asking I1.
Whatever that, because the answer is not matching, it means they are asking the 4 ohm, 4 ohm. But option is there given. So we have to choose in this option only. Am I right or not?
Yes, I understood.
Yeah, please tell me now. You
So
have
basically, I need to take from both.
see, this is the voltage is given for the particular point. Please understand. When you are walking from higher voltage to lower voltage, voltage is getting
Having rating of 40 watt and 202 volt and 100 watt and 202 volt are joined in series, and alternately 300 volt and then 440 volt is applied. Find out which will fuse in each case. What does it mean which will fuse? I don't understand this question. Which will fuse?
See, if a 40-watt bulb in your house, you are using your so many lights in the back side of this one. If 220 voltage is coming, how much voltage is coming in your house?
I think 110
Oh,
in USA.
okay, 110 is coming in USA. India was 220. Correct na? If I supply in your house 220, what will happen?
The bulbs, they can just break.
Break. That is the only find out the fuse. Means bulb will not
Fuse, it means it's gonna break.
break. See, your capacity is something 220 volt. What is the meaning of that? Why it is fused?
220 volt, it means that the voltage that bulb can accommodate, like the current, the amount of current that can flow is just limited.
Voltage accommodate this one. It is voltage is not storage. Bulb is not a storage unit of Almirah, so they can accommodate. They once you supply the voltage, what happen? They start generating the heat.
The heat, yes.
Correct na?
So
If they produce more heat, what will happen?
They're gonna start to like explode.
Explode. Once they will start more heat, what the filament inside the bulb will be get burned, melted.
Burn. Yes, yes.
So basically we have to see how much heat they can sustain.
Then, okay.
Correct now? 40 watt means what? 40 watt means how much joule? The 40
Power.
joules, 40 joules they can sustain. Am I right? 100 watt means how much?
100 joules.
100 joules. Is it clear? Am I right or not?
Yes.
First things you should find what is the resistance.
Resistance. Okay. Resistance in each bulb.
Yeah. Can you tell me? Can you find out?
I think so. Wait. P is equal to V squared divided on R.
P is equal to V square divided on R. Very good.
So R is equal.
Don't see the formula. Solve the example. Don't see this one. I'm not seeing.
I'm not seeing. I'm not seeing.
Okay, good.
I'm not seeing. I'm not seeing. Okay. That's why I'm asking you, because I didn't understand.
You are not.
Like, there, like some mistake is there.
Okay, I will take some relaxed position here. I got tired.
Okay.
if you don't mind.
So V square divided on
R-
W. I need to, oh, sorry, on power. So for each case, I need to find case one, and then
No,
R1 is
see,
gonna be
that is 1
200.
second. R for to 40 watt to 20 volt. What is the R value you got it? Please tell me.
I'm counting 1 second. 4 is going to be 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 11 on 11. 1 to 1, 0. Okay, it's going to be 1 to 1, 0 ohm. 1 to 1, 0 ohm.
What is the second bulb resistance?
202 divided on 100 is going to be 22 on 22 is 484. 484 ohm. Resistance for each case.
R is equal to 484 ohm. Correct? Two resistance you got it. You also knows that 40 watt it will be going to be fused. Correct na? 40 watt means 40 joules per second. You are also knowing that it is 100 watt. It can resist up to the 100 joule
Per second.
correct na? If it is producing more heat per second, 120, it will be get fused. Am I right?
Okay.
Now
Yes.
what they are telling, they are joined together alternatively. First they have joined with 300 volt, okay, in series. What they are telling? How they are joined?
In series. The bulbs are connected in the series.
Bulbs means
Connected.
nothing but resistance. Now I will tell you resistance.
Resistance, you need to add resistance. Okay. Okay. My question is first, like, what does it mean alternative? First they connect 300 volt and then they connect 440 volt?
Yes. First they have connected like this one series with 300 volt. Now in this case you have to decide which one will be goes one. Let us say this is the R1, R2. R1.
But to find out R1, in this case, voltage is gonna go not the same for R1 or 2.
Different.
It's gonna be different.
Yeah, first you should find the current. I current, let us going.
I current. I need to find first. I need to find resistance. Like
These two are in series. So
yeah. So I add.
I
So R is equal to
I is equal to total voltage 300 divided by I1, sorry, R1 plus R2.
R2.
Please tell me I2, I
Okay.
is equal to how much?
300 divided 1694. 1694. Okay, 300 divided on 1694. 0.177 ampere. I mean, it's a little bit little, very little. 177 ampere.
Is it clear?
Yeah. Okay. And then I find.
What you will
Where do I
find?
find them?
What is the
I need
power?
to see how much.
How much power? Power means I square R for this one P1 and P2 I square R2.
R2. Okay, I square 0.177 square multiply on 1210. Oh my god, these
You
calculations.
just use calculator faster.
It's going to be 37.9. P1 is 37.9. P2 is 15.16.
Which one is going to be fused? No one. Because P1 is can sustain up to 40.
40, and P2 100.
100. No one is going to be fused in the first case.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Please tell me the next case.
Case 2, P1. Case 2, it's going to be different voltage, so current is
I will
different. Oh
just
my
change.
god.
I will just change the 400 volt. Correct na?
400 divided 1694.
Yeah.
Current is going to be 0.236 ampere. So P1 is equal to 1210. P1 is equal to 67.4, and P2 is equal to 26.95. So the P1 is gonna fuse
20,
too much.
26 point.
26.9.
So P1 is sustained
20.
only 40 watts. So P1 is going to be fused. Is it clear? Just see the answer.
Yeah, they're saying that for 40 watt, the first bulb is gonna will fuse, and 100-watt bulb will remain safe. The current is less than maximum permit. I mean, they just basically find first first find maximum permitted current,
Okay, no problem.
and then
No
they,
problem.
yeah, I mean, it's almost the
Almost
same.
same.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is the correct way.
No, current density we were doing, I think. J.
J. Yeah.
Yeah, they have here
Yeah.
current density.
I have not did any question based on that.
Yeah, we didn't really do questions. Maybe next time we can do the current density. I'll find some questions. This new potentiometer, what we did was
No, no.